continuing our series of video to explain a $350 trade settings. Okay, let's look for a coin that is in the most deep. Oh, we used Acro the last time. Let's look for another one. Let's use Curse. Okay, that's okay, let's use COS. That's Curse. Okay, I forgot the full meaning of the coin. I'll use Curse. Okay, yeah, 350 trade settings. You go to, once you are in, you go to trade settings. That's the first thing to do. Leave it at $10 first buying amount. Open position double, leave it, do not check it. Margin call limits, that would be 23 margin calls. So hold position, take profit. When do you want to start identifying profit? Robert, identify at 1.1. okay, when do you want me to pick my profit? Anytime there is 0.1% drawback from my profit. Okay, buy in, callback, I'll leave it at 0.5 because I want you to buy. Once you sell, buy again when the price drops by 0.5%. Distributed and take profit ratio, wow, it's gonna open the 23 calls, and then the first 5 reduced to 1.1 just to suit in your take profits ratio. You know, that's just it. 1 point, you can leave it as it is, but I always prefer to, you know, let me begin to recognize profit at 1.1. what if it doesn't get to 1.3? What if it gets to 1.2 and then goes back? That means I won't take profit. So I want to start to take profit at 1.1. You can set it at 1%. No wahala, no problem. Okay, from 11th sub position, let me also change that. Let me change it this time around. You can use any percentage, but nothing less than 1. I don't know if we can use anything less than 1. I think you cannot do that on RoyalQ yet. So let's leave the rest from 17th. I believe when the dip goes down by this number of points, we should be able to recognize profits from 1.3% because it will begin to do massive profits like 5, 10, 15, 20% increase. So you confirm this. You confirm. Now we go to the art of the trade settings. I always love to do that last. That's the margin configuration, and then you click on this button. Okay, once you click, it takes you in. Now, how do you want to begin to buy the dip? How do you want to begin to buy the dip? How do you want to begin to buy the dip? Okay, the first one, like I explained in the previous video, is 0.7. The second is 0.7. The third 0.8. The fourth is 0.8. The fifth, I go by 1.5. The fifth, 1.5. okay, the sixth 2. The seventh, you go by 2. The 8th, let's begin to increase it because as market begins to go down, it goes down rapidly. So let me increase. You can change any to 3.5%. You can use 4, you know, but according to my settings, I want it this way. 3% down to the 18th. You know, the price might go down by, you know, between 3 to 4%. So I want it to identify, I want it to buy at this point so that anytime it goes up at whatsoever percent from here, I want it to begin to take profit. So if it is hovering around 3% deep, it should continue buying to the 8th position. And I want to get to the 19th point, that's 19th call, 4% drop, 25% drop, 6, another 6% drop from 5%, 22, 7, and then once it drops again by 8% from 7%, then buy again. So my buying amount from 1 to 9, make it 1. I'm trying to spread my 350 over 71% dip. In case there is a massive dip, I want to cater for enough dip so that anytime there is a 71% dip or within 71% dip, I am still making profit. I'm still making profit. And then, you know, the higher the number of margin calls it executes, the higher the quantity it buys, because the lower the price at those points, the higher the dip, the lower the price, the higher the quantity it buys. So from the 10th point, I wanted to buy 1.1. Excuse me, I just developed Qatar. 1.1, and then 12th and 13th make it 1.2. Then the 14th make it 1.3. Why? Because I want to maximize my fund, my capital, to be able to continue trading within 71.5% dip. 71.5% dip. The 5th will be 1.4. The 16th will be 1.5. That's the 16th. Down to 19th will be 1.5. And the 20th downward will maintain 2, 2, 2. You will buy more with less in the dip. You will buy more coins with less amount of money in the dip, and then you sell high when the prices begin to rise. Yeah, the more the dip, the more the profit. The more the quantities you buy, the more the profit. So that's, excuse me about that. So you save, you can farm, and then you are covered by 71.5% dip. Bitcoin cannot go as cannot drop as much as 71%. Okay, so that this is a fantastic trade settings you can adopt. Not a financial advice, you know, you'd make profits, but not a financial advice. Thank you. Just save. Once you save, ensure you put it on sub-bin real-time mode and ensure it's on one shot. Click on circle, and then the button up there will change. You look at it, it has changed to circle. And then if you don't want to buy at the current price, this is the current price. This is the current price 0.03. So I don't want to buy at this price. I want to buy at 0.02. Okay, when the price goes down to 0.02, I want you to start buying and selling these coins. Okay, with these trade settings, you are covered by 71% dip. You have made provision for 71.5% dip. That's the meaning. With $350 year in, year out, you are in profit, my dear. Day in, day out, you are in profit. Week in, week out, month in, month out, you are in profit. All right, take care. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video with friends. Let it go viral. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.